Introducing the All Powers R1500 Portable Solar Generator. With 1800 watt pure sine wave power inverter. Battery expansion for up to 2 extra battery packs. 650 watts input of solar and shore power fast charging. (1800-watt pure sine wave up to 3000-watt surge, USB-C up to 100 watts. The All Powers R1500. This is the All Powers R1500 portable power station. It comes with 2 USB-A's at 18 watts, 2 USB-C's at 100 watts, so you can charge up your MacBooks. You get 4 110 volt or 120 volt outputs, good up to 1800 watts, 3000 watts surge. You get your cigarette lighter. You get 2 chargers on the top for cell phones or wireless charging. You have double battery expansion capacity on this one, so you can get 2 spare battery packs and make the extension better. On this side, you have your charging. This one has fast charging. You got your overload, reset, and your solar input. So that's your reset for your overload, your solar input, and your charging cord. There is no charging brick with this unit. It's a straight cord right here, right to the wall, and it can fast charge input up to 1500 watts. It'll charge quick. Standard charge at 1000 watts input, and it will regulate as the battery gets closer to full. And then you can put it on mute mode, which limits it to 400 watts input. On solar, you can go up to 650 watts of solar, and we'll go over some of the specs on the solar as far as voltage and amperage. The capacity of this unit's battery is 1152 watt hours. It only weighs 36 pounds, and it's roughly 16 inches by 12 inches by 11 inches. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi app support. We'll get into that in a little bit. And let's get on some solar specs. The 12-volt carport is rated up to 10 amps continuous. The battery chemistry on this unit is lithium iron phosphate. That's why the unit is so lightweight. This unit has high temperature protection, low temperature protection, over discharge protection, overcharge protection, overload protection, short circuit protection, and overcurrent protection. This unit here is also a designated UPS rated at 15 milliseconds. So you can keep this hooked up to power up computers and whatnot where you need a UPS battery backup. As far as handle goes for carrying, there's 2 cutouts on the sides here. Those are your handles. It's kind of awkward to one-hand it, easier with 2 hands, and it does only weigh 36 pounds. The charging range on this is down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 104 degrees. Your discharge temperatures are between 14 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So it does have low temperature battery protection for charging. If you get the unit, you can scan for iOS or Android for the app And also you can hook it up Wi-Fi, and it goes through the instructions on how to hook it up. I'll show you what the app looks like. It's very simple. This is it in a nutshell, but I'm going to show you on a screenshot. The app's basically 2 pages, and it's super simple, super easy, and it has enough information. The unit will have fault codes if you do come across some troubles running your unit. And let's get into checking this thing out. The unit does come with a warranty card, so make sure you scan your QR code and claim your warranty. Get your warranty activated, and then there is contact information for all powers. Okay, I'm gonna run a little test on it. I'll show you guys how to turn it on. So you wanna long hold the power button. This is your power button right here in the middle. This is your AC power, and this is your DC power button. And if you wanna activate your Bluetooth for your app, you're gonna hold that button for 3 seconds continuous. But let's go ahead and turn it on. So you wanna long press, turn on your unit. We were at 99% battery. We're not using any watts in or any watts out at this time. If you want to turn on your AC power, you turn on your AC power button. If you want to turn on your DC, you'll turn on your DC power button. You will need to turn on the DC power button if you use the wireless charging on top here, which you get 2, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and fire off our recovery machine. And everybody's open. Turn our power on. Just our fan alone is pulling 56 watts. Look at that, 55, 53 watts just for the fan. Let's rock the compressor. I'm gonna press the button. I'll show you the input on it. Here we go, you guys ready? Here she comes. That's our recovery machine running. 265 watts. With the load on it, the watts will go up. But this is good for 1800 watts continuous, so it will run your recovery machines, your vacuum pumps. Let's turn that off. So it will run your recovery machines, your vacuum pumps, anything else you might have on a job site. This one here is super compact, and it does have options for expandable batteries. I wanted to show you guys that right there. If you had a power outage at the house, you could plug the fridge into it. The coffee maker, you'd have to probably run one at a time. Coffee maker pulls a lot of juice, but it would run your internet, your television, things like that all at the same time. You could make up some cables that are long enough to get the solar out and run it. You could run your CPAP machines at nighttime. Computer charging, phone charging, it's limitless. Seems to be a well-built unit, balanced really well. One thing I did notice for turning off power here, you got to long press the power button. I'm going to show you that. See how the green light's still on? You got to long press and hold it till the green light's on. In the solar panel, it's a 140 watt panel. Works really well. You get your standard connectors. You get your connector to I don't know the name of these connectors, but that's to go into the All Powers R1500. You get this connector to turn into any connector you might have to fit your machine. So the panels are universal. You also have outputs from the solar panel. When you're getting the sun, you get USB-A, you get 2 USB-A's, a USB-C, and a couple barrel plug connectors for outputs. There's one right here also. This is the 140 watt panel, All Power Supplies. This is a high quality portable panel. I'm really impressed. See a partly cloudy day. We got some of the fog blowing over. And we're getting 87 watts out of this, which is really good. And I've seen it go higher. And I could probably stretch it out more if I was to tilt it out more. There we go, just by tilting it. Look, I'm all the way up to like 95, 96, 97. It's a really good solar panel on this one. It's a 140 watt panel. We might get, yeah, we got 105 watts out of this panel. It's really good. Like, still going up. 106. That's really good. So you can put panels in series up to 650 watts of solar into this. Below will be a coupon code NORCAL10 for the All Powers R1500 solar station and for the 140 watt solar panel.